So this is our new facility and plant that we're building for Dream Home Design. What's really unique about this one is we're finally going to start introducing our fabrication on our countertop division, which is unbelievable because obviously it's the next natural progression from cabinetry. Everybody that comes to us to buy cabinets say, hey man, you got anybody that can do countertops? So we're going ahead and going to add that to Dream Home's forte and onto our book of business, which is incredible. So we're looking really forward to that. This is the state-of-the-art facility. It's going to be 82,000 square feet. Pretty crazy. Here's the cool thing. We'll be here and up and running November 1st. It's coming right around the corner. So we have actually taken on the actual construction of the rest of the plant. So we're doing our showroom, all of our offices, and really running all the electrical and everything else necessary to run and operate our new machinery. We're keeping our machines that we have, but adding a full new arsenal of other machines. So state-of-the-art stuff. So yeah, let's walk right here. Let's talk about right here. First of all, when you walk in our front door, this is going to be a 2-story showroom. So we're going to have a complete facility here of showroom, and then we're going to have stairs that go up from this corner up to our upper library. So this upper library will be where people can come in, they can make selections with our staff. It's going to have everything that we sell, from cabinet selections, hardware. We also will be doing flooring, lighting, all that stuff. We're becoming a full service interior design showroom that build cabinets and actually countertops. So as you walk here, our existing building that we're in today is about 3,500 square feet of showroom and offices. And I think you guys have probably seen some content of ours, and we've got about 3 or 4 people in every room. Even in my office, I have 3 people in my office. So it's really kind of hard to get work done and meet with clients because we got to ask everybody to leave my office when we're meeting with people. We weren't able to start the showroom because the facility wasn't big enough. So we're going to have about 10,000 square feet of showroom and offices here. So state of the art. Clients will be able to come pick out their selections right here. They'll see our cabinetry in real life built here, installed in our showroom, and being used in a full working condition kitchen. Pretty awesome. So let's walk this way a little bit. So everything is obviously commercial, so it's still steel framing. We will have hardwood floor on display. We will have countertops on display. We will have ceramic tiles and porcelain tiles on display. We'll have lighting and other millwork on display. So pretty exciting. As we walk out here into the big warehouse, our warehouse now that we have is about, memory serves me, about 14,000 square feet of cabinet manufacturing. About 14,000. This plant will have 45,000 square feet just for our millwork. Countertops will be another 20,000 square feet, which is on the far end of this building, which is over a football field long, couple football fields wide. Pretty great. And then we'll also have our paint department. So our paint department will be its own separate area. That'll be about a 20,000 square foot facility just for our paint lines and our spray booths and stuff like that. Again, state of the art. We have added a whole bunch more equipment, about another $3 million of equipment. So stay tuned to see how that all works. Our countertop fab shop is going to be all robots. It's going to be robotic equipment, able to produce about 1,200 square feet of countertops a day, equal to about 3 kitchens for you that don't know. So pretty exciting. This whole plant now is all air conditioned. So we're going to have 82,000 square feet under roof of air conditioned space. As you can see, we have all kinds of different garage doors to load. We have an issue now with space. Again, I keep saying this over and over. It's not allowing us to grow to the rate we need to grow at. And so our QC and shipping department is about 6,000 to 7,000 square feet of shipping and QC. And here you're going to have about 15,000. So it's going to double in the amount of space in our shipping department, which is going to be awesome. We'll be able to pull trucks in, load trucks inside, and then ship out from inside. So, which is pretty awesome. So let's walk over here real quick. We've got enough horsepower here to light up literally like half of the town, man. It's crazy what we got going on. So especially with the countertop side of this division, it's all robots, like I said. So we need a lot of power to run some of our CNCs on that side, our spray lines, adding more equipment. You just got to make sure you have enough power to make sure that all the equipment can run at the same time. Keep in mind, nothing can shut down. We got to be running every piece of equipment at the same time all day long, 2 shifts to keep up with the amount of business we have right now. So let's follow along. So we've gone with all LED lighting throughout. Everything is insulated. So again, I told you guys earlier that this is all under air conditioned space. So we have a demising wall, which has enabled us to grow again if we need to and scale down the road. Like I said, about 82,000 square feet here. We have another option on another 82,000 square feet on the other side if we need to keep growing. So, which is pretty awesome. We also have a full kitchen for our staff to be able to eat out of. We have a cafeteria going in here in a new facility. We have restroom facilities that that, man, it's incredible because like we have about 62 employees now. We'll probably be up to about 80 when this opens up. So we got to make sure we have enough facility for the restrooms for our staff, which is great. Over in this area over here, which is about 50 feet wide by, I don't know, probably about 115, 120 feet. This is going to be our staging area for all of our countertops, slabs. So we'll have a variety and a range of countertops here, slabs that will be on sale for our clients to pick through, which is great. We've teamed up with some excellent trade partners out there right now on the countertop world that supply the slabs and also in our millworks. That's awesome. So a lot of our hardwood stuff still coming from Spellman, which is great. They've been a great trade partner of ours. So Arista is another one on our countertops that we've partnered up with. Truly excited about that. It's going to be really cool. All of our office space will be 10 foot high in height, which is incredible. It's going to be awesome. And with, again, all the state-of-the-art stuff that you need to operate. So we're looking really forward to it. This is our break room. Look at the size of our break room. Incredible. Look at this break room. My goodness. This is going to have microwaves, ovens, and everything for people to come in and make their lunch so they don't have to go out. We're quality here. We make sure we try to build culture. And if people don't have to leave here to go get lunch and they can eat right here, they can make their meal right here, it's so much easier. So pretty awesome. These guys are doing a great job on their framing. If you look at all their studs line up all the way through, people don't realize that. But as a builder, an ex-builder, literally, you know, when you see framing work done that all your studs are in line, that's awesome. Because remember, all your supporting load travels from up to down. So, and that's what supports everything. So all your studs, which mean your 2x6 right here, steel studs, are all in line. So that's when you know you got a good framing job. So again, this is going to be our break room right here. We got restrooms on each side. When we come down this way, man, they are just flying today. I mean, this is incredible. So over here, we got my brother's office, my plat manager. His office is right here. I got my office and my wife's office right here. We have, as you know, we have glass. You can see we have glass that looks out into our plant, which is awesome. And also we can leave our offices through a door in our office to go out to the plant, which is cool. So something that we've added to it, which is great. As we keep coming down, we have a whole section right here where our engineers will sit. We've got 8 desks that line up here, U-shaped, for all of our engineers to sit at, and they can actually also look out to the plant, which is cool. Over here, which isn't framed yet, is going to be our conference area, real big conference room, so our clients come in, we can sit down with them, you know, make some dreams happen right here, which is awesome. As we keep rolling down here, we got offices flanking each other. My accounts manager and office manager are down across from me, so that she's got her own big office. And as we keep moving down, we have designers' offices. We have Salesforce offices right here. So yeah, it's going to be pretty exciting. I foresee this framing taking place here for the next week or two, getting all the ceiling joists up, the second floor up, making our stairway. Our stairway is going to be a floating staircase. It's going to be pretty awesome. Our doors and windows and glass just got started to be delivered. It looks like that's being delivered over there against the wall, all the way over there, which is awesome. Our drywall is already here. So all these things happening very quickly. So again, I had a bet today. This is a funny story. I had a bet today with the general contractor, Mac, which has done a great job with those guys, getting other trade partners with them. They were awesome with us. We determined that we wanted to be here. This is a spot we wanted to be. They were a great partner with us here. One of their project managers said, man, I don't know. You got 3 months to get done and out of here. And I looked right at him. I said, you doubt me? And he looked at me and goes, you want to make a bet? And I said, I'll take that bet. So 3 months. We got to be in and out. 3 months. Will we make it? Stay tuned.